Positively Birmingham walking tours help you understand the city you can see today. Let's take a look at the tours that we're running during Birmingham Heritage Week, from canals and Victorians to today's city. We start at the Library of Birmingham. We consider the Georgian and Victorian town, 20th century architecture, and the new developments that are all around us. In the footsteps of Sir Edward Burne-Jones, we walk from the museum and art gallery. We look at the artistic features of the city and many other aspects. Finally, our brand new tour, Discovering Birmingham, a Walk and More. Heading from the Library of Birmingham and including the canals and the jewellery corridor, it builds on our previous tours and is based on the new guide to the city, Discovering Birmingham. The walks last approximately 1 3/4 hours, and our local guides offer huge knowledge and put over the content in humorous and friendly ways. We will be using an audio system to make sure you hear every word. Tours should be pre-booked on the Positively Birmingham website. At least 10% of the price is donated to Cipher Fireside, who work with homeless issues in our city. We look forward to seeing you on one of our walking tours very soon indeed.